So looking at the area for our temperatures for today, it's going to be frigid cold as we're forecasting highs only in the upper teens and the low 20s, but then feeling anywhere between about -5, -10. Some areas could see feels like temperatures around -15 degrees. So it is cold. If you're just waking up this morning thinking, yeah, I'm not going anywhere for today, I don't blame you at all. Now, if you do plan on going outside, hailing the roadways, be prepared for a few isolated slick spots as well, too, as black ice is certainly possible. But let's look at this hour by hour because we're not seeing a lot of changes at all for today with this forecast. So by 9 o'clock, we're seeing feels like temperatures again. -5, -10, some areas close to -15 degrees. Air temperature, that white number you see, in the single digits and the low teens. By lunchtime, we're in the mid to upper teens, but it's still cold for sure. Now, any afternoon plans, look at this upper teens, low 20s. Finally seeing feels like temperatures back in the single digits, but it is cold for sure. If you have to take the pup outside for a walk, and be a quick loop, quick in and out because it's going to be frigid cold. Now, I'm looking ahead towards the bus stop for tomorrow morning because, you know, it's that last Monday before winter break and a lot of kids are thinking, okay, these temperatures are going to be cold enough. Is it cold enough to cancel school? Well, some schools may be impacted, but we normally see feels like temperatures even colder than this in January. So it really just depends on the school district. But heading out the door tomorrow morning, seeing feels like temperatures still between about 0 to -5 degrees. So if you can with a bus stop, you know, maybe wait with your child if they can because, you know, it's going to be cold standing outside. But luckily, we're slowly warming back up, just not by tomorrow afternoon. Still seeing highs in the upper teens and low 20s for tomorrow, still feeling into the single digits and the low to mid teens by the afternoon, but cooling back down by tomorrow night and early Tuesday morning. It's still going to be cold, but not near as cold as what we are right now, what we will be for Monday. But then by the afternoon, we're slowly getting there. But look at this, these temperatures right now. Yeah, it's 3 in Hillsdale, 9 in Wauseon and in Toledo, Fremont at 11 degrees. But then you factor in the feels like temperatures. Wow, it's feeling around -11 in Hillsdale, feeling around -3 here in Toledo. We're seeing Findlay feels like temperatures right now around -10 below, -10 degrees. So it is cold outside for sure. Let's just see how many times I can say cold in these next few minutes because yeah, it's the middle of December and we're seeing temperatures feeling more like January. Typically our average highs even in January aren't this cold, but luckily we're finally gonna be seeing that warm up. Check this out, low 20s today and tomorrow. Mid-30s return for Tuesday, so we're back to above freezing. Above average temperatures are finally in the forecast come Wednesday, and we're staying nice and dry, really not tracking anything as far as precipitation goes. Maybe an isolated flurry here and there, but right now the next best chance for some rain looks to be Thursday. You can see that near 50 degrees Thursday afternoon. Mid-30s come Friday, another chance for a few scattered showers for the last official day of fall. The first day of winter is Sunday, and we're feeling like winter. Highs in the low 40s with that mixture of sunshine and clouds. That's a look at your extended forecast.